Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Oops. Oh, the Eight of Swords showed up, Libra. I hope you're still not stressed out. And before I begin, let me say these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear right now. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Libra, we welcome you also to join us. Subscribe to the channel, become part of us. Oh God. Isn't this the card we flipped and I put it right back in the deck? The Eight of Swords. It came out, I saw it, I pushed it right back into the deck when I said, I hope you guys are not stressed even now. And the first card that pops out again is the Eight of Swords. This is the magic of tarot, I guess. Oof. Okay, so Knight of Cups alongside that. So that's a good kind of stress, wanting to take a love offer. Six of Swords, wonderful. Knight of Wands. Ten of Cups. Center of my spread. Somebody is not happy at all. Maybe they were a player earlier, or somebody is not happy with somebody's playerish energies, don't want to be a player anymore, don't want to work with third parties. It's not giving somebody emotional happiness, it seems. Page of Swords, Eight of Wands, and the Six of Wands. Alright, so feeling a bit stuck here, Libra. Somebody is trying to now figure out a way to get out of some kind of stress here. Okay, so before I start clarifying these cards, Libra, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. So Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Libra and their person. Okay. A few from here, Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other now. And I'll take a couple from here as well. Libra and their person. Thank you. Okay, Libra, good to go. The first card here says, your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. So somebody is now stressed out because now they want to take a love offer, they want to end the conflict, but because they never really took action in the past, there's a bit of emotional unhappiness in this connection. When you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. So I guess somebody is realizing that now, but there is a lack of communication between the two of you. I get so triggered seeing you do things for others that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are we wasting time for? My God, every zodiac I've done till now, especially Leo, Sagittarius, and now you, they had like, we're getting older, what are we wasting time for? This pandemic is kind of, I think, waking up a lot of people to the preciousness of time. How precious time is, and what a waste of time to be playing games now. I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me, but you use silence as manipulation to gain control. See, I told you, no communication is somebody's way of keeping the other person in check or in control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. I will never forget the day that I met you, and I will always remember the day that I loved you, for they are one and the same. So the love is there, but I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. Somebody wants a reconciliation here, Libra. I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we can have a romantic and a sexual relationship. Because I don't think that's really worked out. Whenever this kind of a relationship is there where somebody is always in and out, or it doesn't lead to any emotional happiness, and because of that there is no solid structure. So the other person, I think, is saying that this time let's build on a friendship first. Let's build a foundation. Let's not just go back into a place which is going to blow up again. I haven't been happy for a long time. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. Okay, so Libra, this is your story. I am going to start with an angel blessing card, see what blessing, guidance, advice or message there is for you from the angels, and then we clarify these cards. Okay. Faith. Maybe somebody is losing faith in this connection here, Libra, thinking this is never going to be upright again. I'll never have emotional happiness. Maybe feeling a little, embarrassed and ashamed of their own behavior now, and feeling this can never be rectified. So my angels are saying, keep the faith. Faith is something that can rectify anything. All right, so let's put this here. Let's start clarifying your cards. And Libra, if you want a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So 8 of Swords, Spirit, why is this stress now? 8 of Swords. But this is self-imposed. This stress is self-imposed. There's nobody else in the picture except one person imagining that they have no way out, whereas the path in front of them is open. The swords are around them and in their mind, and because their eyes are closed, they can't see that they can get out of it if they want. They do have romantic feelings from what I see, wanting to come out of, feeling that this feeling of regret and sorrow, and not wanting to spend the rest of their life looking back and saying, oh God, it didn't happen, right? But there are these two cups right behind them. If this person wants, they can just walk out of this prison that they've put themselves in, turn around, and they find their 2 cups. But their mental tension is not allowing them to do so. So Knight of Cups, Spirit. Knight of Cups. They know they've made some very, very foolish decisions. Again, see the same card again, feeling rather embarrassed, rather ashamed. Twice I've got the 6 of Wands here, which means this person is feeling that they made very unwise decisions. They are feeling ashamed of and embarrassed of their inability to maybe offer or start something stable. They do have romantic feelings, but I don't think they took that decision. They made a wrong decision. Even though heart of hearts, I think this person knew how they felt. Now they are feeling bad that they didn't take the opportunity when it was presented. 6 of Swords, Spirit. 6 of Swords. Yes, this person was trying to play mind games, be a magician in reverse, trying to trick the other person, may have had conflict, fight, competition, trying to create illusions. But I think now there is this need for ending this fight, ending this conflict, to move on to a path of peace. But they don't know how, because they know that they've been a trickster, they have created conflict, and somebody here is very ashamed of their own actions now. So Knight of Wands, Spirit. Knight of Wands. They know that this kind of behavior has... as much as they want to now end this fighting, they're a bit afraid that they won't be able to take action now, because they feel their counterpart, their person, could be quite upset and angry with them right now. They're not sure whether they will be allowed to take any action towards rectifying the situation. My God, this person has a lot of feelings now. Now, maybe earlier they were this Knight of Wands, Okay, they were always wanting to be a player or being in and out or whatever. But this person has developed a lot of feelings since then, Libra. This could be you, this could be your person, I don't know. But now they want to express it, but they don't know how. Because they feel their person is not going to allow them in, or must be still upset or angry. So there is a lot of emotional unhappiness going on. 10 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. 10 of Cups, they feel they've lost their chance. Yes, they feel bad karma has come upon them now because they never made the decision when the chance was there, and now they've lost their turn, their chance, their opportunity to have the happiest relationship that they could ever find, the one that could have lasted forever. This is person P feeling, I've lost the chance because of my own bad deeds. Justice in reverse. So 3 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 3 of Pentacles in reverse. 3 of Pentacles in reverse. They don't want anyone else now. If maybe there were third parties that they were dealing with or whatever, or whoever this masculine is has their eyes set on one particular person who they see as the perfect one, the one who's single right now, could be doing very well in their life, is abundant, and they don't want to let that person go. They only want one person and not the other 3, 4, 10 that they were dealing with earlier. So they have their eyes set on one person who they don't want to let go of now. Page of Swords, Spirit. They've been very immature maybe in their decisions in the past. Yes. They are now crying over spilt milk from what I can see, feeling very abandoned, very left out in the cold, now wanting to release this toxicity from their life or this toxic behavior, not be in their devil energy anymore. But the problem here is there is still lack of communication. 8 of Wands, Spirit. Yes, people are holding back because of the conflict which has already happened. This is the conflict that somebody wants to get out of and move to a happier place, right? But this conflict is still very much there because none of you are really talking about it. One person is too embarrassed and ashamed now to come forward to heal this connection, and the other person is probably hurt, been left out earlier by this player, or hurt because of third parties, so they are holding back. So this conflict is not being addressed, both holding back. 6 of Wands, Spirit. 6 of Wands. Yes, somebody is wanting to know the truth. Somebody wants clarity before they can have this reconciliation. Maybe truth and clarity about third parties or of what really disrupted this connection. Somebody will not be taking this player back before they have 100% truth. I think somebody is trying to think of what to say in their most authentic self, how to present themselves so that they can be believed, so that they can have this reconciliation. Somebody is trying to see this from all different perspectives to see what can I say now which will be believed, which can get me this reunion back. They are standing here planning and plotting, not plotting, but basically trying to decide how and what to say to get back a partnership which will be now equal and happy for both people. Anything else, Spirit, for Libra? Anything else for Libra? Yes, but losing hope. Yes, somebody here, I think this is the masculine, maybe the feminine, or both of you right now, kind of losing hope in this connection. But on the other side, my angels are saying, keep the faith. Don't give up hope, because who knows what can happen by next week, Libra. Things change, all right? So as of now, from what I see, somebody is very deeply unhappy because they feel they've lost their chance. They're trying to find the right words that they can come with, because till now there is a lack of good communication between the two of you. Both are holding back. That's what's going on. Okay, so till next time then, that'll be next Tuesday, I guess. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.